Chuck, Sally, and myself. We're missing two founders. One of them is Beth Henson, and the other one is Stella Gibbs, who passed away today. So that's very hard. And just to give you a bit of a story, when we were putting together the PAMA logo, it came through a few iterations, but if you see the logo, there's a eagle, the Philippine eagle, which is represent the Philippine eagle, but the army, what do you call it, army insignia, the rays of the sun were suggested by Stella Gibbs. Because the essence of PAMA is, although we're from the Philippine community, we wanted it to be open to everybody, not only Australians, but also the multicultural community. And having that ray of sun in the top is one symbol, because that's very much recognizable in the Australian culture, that army insignia, the rays of the sun. So that entire thing, PAMA is really a multicultural organization. So we welcome everybody here. So that's all, So we're still waiting for our wine glasses. Okay, there we go.